Good afternoon, Congressman. My name is Sarah Sobel, and I'm from the Alzheimer's Association Cleveland area chapter. Thank you for taking the time to meet with me today to discuss how you can help the many families affected by this devastating disease. Did you know that there are currently more than 5 million Americans living with Alzheimer's disease? And 50% of those people don't even have a formal diagnosis. Alzheimer's disease is the 6th leading cause of death in the United States, and it's the only cause of death among the top 10 without a way to prevent, cure, or even slow its progression. Given that information, you can understand how a diagnosis can be overwhelming for families and their loved ones. To give you an idea of how this disease can affect a family, let me share with you my experience with my grandma Buddy. In the later years of my grandmother's life, she would frequently act out or become confused when I entered her room. Knowing now that she showed symptoms of dementia, I don't think my father even knew what was happening at the time, nor was he able to communicate with me or my sister the harsh reality that my grandma was dying. I couldn't understand at the time why she wasn't able to talk with us, but I now realize that like the 33% of seniors who develop Alzheimer's disease over the age of 85, she had a serious medical condition that prevented her from being the grandmother that I knew. If I had known that my grandma Buddy had a diagnosis of Alzheimer's disease, I would have sought out resources to help me understand how to better communicate with her and grieve for her. It would have made it easier for my father and for my uncle to care for her in her final days. And it would have helped the staff of her facility to understand how to better provide hospice care for her and to our family. To ease the burden on families and to assist providers caring for our loved ones, your support is greatly needed for the Hope for Alzheimer's Act. By signing on as a co-sponsor of this legislation, Medicare will cover a package of services that includes a clinical diagnosis of Alzheimer's disease and care planning to ensure that newly diagnosed individuals and their families receive information about medical and non-medical treatment and support resources. The HOPE Act would also require that someone with a diagnosis have documentation of their diagnostic assessment and care planning in their medical record. I ask that you consider supporting the HOPE Act so that families like mine will be able to get important educational tools and resources. The HOPE Act would have helped me and my family support my grandma, but now that Grandma Buddy has been gone for 6 years now, the HOPE Act needs to be in place to help families who will need the help in the future. Thank you for your time, and please don't hesitate to contact me with any remaining questions you may have about the HOPE Act or the association.